welcome back to my channel. It is so good to have you, and thank you for joining me once again. In today's video, I am going to show you how I made this juicy twist, okay, using my own product from my hair care line. In case you don't know, your girl has launched her natural hair care line, and currently we have just two products, which is our super hair growth oil and our shebe infused hair butter. This thing is not just focusing. I need to reduce the slide so that you can get it. Yeah. Oh my god, it's still not. Don't worry, if my video have a lot of views, I'm actually going to buy a better camera that can be doing autofocus. But this is how the jar looks like. It is 250 ml, and this is 100 ml, and it goes for 4,000 naira each. So that is what I used to twist this hair. Oh my god, look at how bouncy this twist is. I just look at it, you know. So I'm actually super excited because I started making my hair using other people's products, but today I am using my own brand. Isn't that a good thing? Okay, I don't want to take so much of your time, so let's go right into the video. Here in Nigeria, so the first thing I will do is to put my hair in sections which I will be working with. Putting my hair in sections, I have here a water which I'm going to split on my hair to ensure that it is moisturized, and I'll be able to detangle my hair without actually putting so much pressure into the hair, which could lead to thing I will do is to go in with our super hair growth oil. My camera doesn't focus, so I'm going to take a few drops and just massage it on the hair. Oh my god, I love this oil. I'm going to take another one and apply it on the ends of my hair. This is actually the oldest part of the hair, okay? Then it is time to start twisting rather. I'm going to take the butter, rub it against my palm and apply it on my hair. You can see what I am doing. Then I will start twisting. when you get to the tip of the hair, you need to take another butter and apply it on the tips and coil it like this. So this is what we have. So see what I'm doing. Take the butter again and apply it and twist it. This is what we have at the end of the day. Okay, so I'm actually going to allow this to dry for the whole of today. Then tomorrow I'll just come and do the twist out. So see you guys tomorrow. I think, yeah. I love this. Like, let me give you a close shot. I need to reduce the light as well. You can see. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Hello, so welcome back. Today is actually the third day since I actually made this twist. I was hoping to remove it the following day, but your girl got busy with a lot of work. Yeah, I was busy dispatching products for my hair care line that I actually forgot to come back and do this. Okay, so it is time for us to take down, like, to untwist this two strands twist ID. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is to go in with my super hair growth oil. I'm just to create a smooth feel. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So I'm just going to rub it against it, then I'm gonna move closer, then carefully remove, untwist it. That's what I mean. Oh my god, look at this. Okay, let me just stop talking. At least you can see it for yourself. I don't need to start making a lot of noise about it. So you are seeing it as I am untwisting it. So this butter is perfect for your twist out, for those of you who are lovers of twist out. Okay, Hi! God, I'm super proud of myself. Look at how this twist out looks, and so far I love this. Okay, so you can actually use this Adan Edet hair butter as for twist out and braid out, and trust me, it's just going to come out lovely like this. So the last thing I would like to do is to use the super hair growth oil, and I'm going to apply this directly on my scalp. So I'm actually going to massage it in on my scalp. This process helps stimulate hair growth. Okay, so if you like this content, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell that is just right beside that, so that you will be the first to be notified anytime a new content like this drops in this channel. And if you have further questions to ask concerning my products, the ad that needed, kindly let me know by dropping a comment there or by following us on Instagram. I'm going to leave the link here, or I'm gonna leave it here. Okay, so kindly check that out. These two products goes for 4,000 naira. 4,000 naira. So if you get those two, it is 8,000 naira, or 28 US dollar for those two products, or 14 USD, 14 USD each, and I ship to any part of the world. All you need to do is just to click, send me a DM, or you can also reach me on WhatsApp. I'm gonna leave the business line up there so that you can easily see it. But by the way, let me go ahead and rock my hair. Okay, if you've actually bought my butter, you can actually tell me how you've used it and how it was for you.